So the other day we got to check out Samsung's top-notch flagship phone, their all-new Galaxy S22 Ultra, right? And today in the house we have the base variant of the same series, their brand new Galaxy S22 5G phone. And today in this video we're gonna unbox and check out this phone, guys. It comes in this very similar sort of packaging just like the S22 Ultra, very slim box, guys. You've got the Samsung branding, says Galaxy S22 on it, and it's available in three different colors. We have the Phantom White edition in 8 plus 128 GB variant, also available in 8 plus 256 GB configuration. Going to the back side, we've just got some details about the pricing. We'll talk about the pricing and special offers at a later part. First, let's quickly unbox and check it out, guys. There is nothing much on the box packaging, so let me quickly grab my knife, cut this seal, and show you how the phone looks like. Now, I've told you, right, it's available in three different colors. We have the Phantom White edition, and as soon as you open the box, we've got our brand new phone at the top, nicely packed. Oh boy, look at this beauty. Looks like the Snow White of S22 series, and let me tell you, phone is actually quite lightweight in the hand, guys. Only 167 grams. So we'll just come back to that in a moment. Along with that, you get some accessory box over here, which includes a SIM ejection tool and some paperwork. That is it. There is nothing else in the box, guys. No charger, no power adapter. आजकल कुछ भी free में नहीं मिलता. You'll have to buy that separately. So that is it. These are all the stuff we got in the package. Now let me give you a closer look at the phone and talk about the design and the build quality. So unlike the S22 Ultra, guys, this one is like much more compact, guys, like a mini version of the S22, and has a beautiful design, guys. I especially love the Phantom White color. And let me tell you, the phone has a complete flat design, guys. Flat body, flat display, everything flat, and feels actually pretty nice. It's also quite comfortable in the hand, guys. So let me give you a physical overview and talk about the specs. On the front, the phone comes with a 6.1-inch 1080p 120Hz dynamic AMOLED 2x display with a 10 megapixel selfie camera at the top. On the Ultra, we had a 40 megapixel camera. Bezels are quite thin, but that is again something I'll be able to show you after powering it on. Now going to the right side, guys, as usual, you've got a power button over here and a volume rocker. And look at that body, guys. Must finishing, right? It comes with Samsung's armor aluminum frame, making it the most durable Samsung Galaxy series phone. And at the top, you just have a secondary noise cancellation microphone, and there's nothing on the left side also, guys, just some antenna bands. And going to the bottom, here you've got all the important stuff. There's a down-firing speaker, Type-C port is available, and primary microphone is also there, and lastly a SIM card tray. Now this SIM card tray supports dual 5G nano SIMs, and there is no extra SD card support available on this thing. So make sure you choose the right configuration while buying itself. And there you go, guys. This is how the back of the phone looks like. The front and back both are covered in Gorilla Glass Victus Plus for excellent protection. You've got the Samsung branding and has a beautiful matte finishing, guys. Going to the top, you've got a triple camera setup, 50 megapixel primary camera f1.8, OIS is also there, 10 megapixel telephoto 3x camera with OIS, and lastly a 12 megapixel f2.2 ultra wide angle camera. And unlike the Ultra edition, this one definitely has the camera bump, guys, pretty similar to the S21 series. Not to forget that tiny LED flash just to the right side. So that's it, guys, our complete overview on the phone. And wait a second, I forgot to talk about the battery. It is powered by a 3700 milliampere battery and supports 25 watt fast charging. So that is it. What I'll do is I'll quickly set it up and then we'll continue the video. So guys, I'm back to continue the video. The phone is all set up and good to go. And before I actually show you the display and we talk about all of its built-in features and other stuff, let me quickly bring in my Galaxy S22 Ultra and show you a side-by-side comparison between both these phones. So the S22 base variant on the right and S22 Ultra edition on the left. And initial impressions, you can immediately notice that Ultra is a very big phone, right? Well, obviously it's got a 6.8-inch 1440p display, and that too, the display is slightly curved on the sides, guys. But on the S22 base variant, you're getting a much smaller 6.1-inch 1080p flat display, guys. See, both of them are made for like different category people. For example, if you're a consumer who's looking for like top-notch specs, like ultimate hardware, guys, no compromise, and you want like a bigger display with S Pen, then the Ultra is the one for you. But if you're a person who's looking for a compact phone, easy to use on the go in a single hand, you don't want to use it with both the hands, and S Pen is not a big major deal for you, then S22 base variant can be a great choice, guys. But for me, it's very hard because I want both these phones, guys, because Ultra has some exclusive features like 108 megapixel quad camera is there, exclusive S Pen related functions are available, curved display, and on the other hand, this one is quite compact and actually actually very cute looking phone. So I feel like having both of these in my pocket. Very hard choice for me. And if you go to the backside also now, completely different design on the Ultra and the base variant. The base variant follows their previous generation design, guys, with this camera bump over here, aluminum camera bump. While on the Ultra edition, there is no camera bump at all. Direct camera rings are there, huge mega rings are there, and both of these design is quite appealing. Now it all comes down to your personal preference and choice as to which one you want to go. So that was about the physical differences, guys, and as I've told you, both of these displays pack like AMOLED on board, 120 hertz is there, and both of them have hole punch camera at the top, and both of them have ultrasonic fingerprint scanner on the front. And let's quickly put this fingerprint scanner to a test. As expected, guys, pretty fast fingerprint scanner unlocks very quickly, just like the Ultra. And there you go, this is how the home screen on it looks like. And my god, look at those bezels, guys. Ultra thin bezels. Now you won't get that seamless 3D curved kind of effect just like the S22 Ultra, but still it definitely defines a flagship phone. Very thin bezels on the sides and bottom also, guys. Looks just like I'm holding a display in my hand. Doesn't give you that phone kind of feel. Anyways, there you go. This is how the home screen on it looks like. And talking about the software, I've told you, right, same as S22 Ultra only. It runs on Android version 12 out of the box, and One UI version is 4.1, which is the newest version from Samsung. And talking about the onboard storage and stuff, it's got 8 gigs of RAM, LPDDR5 RAM, and also has RAM plus feature thanks to One UI 4.1. And you can expand the RAM also up to 8 GB. Let me just quickly show you that. So it's available in the device care section in the memory section. Here you can check out the RAM plus feature and expand the RAM up to 8 GB, guys. So it's all up to you. By default it's set to like 4 GB. So you're having like 8 plus 4, which is around like 12 GB. And if you talk about the storage, this is the 128 GB storage, right? And out of the box we are having around like 95.3 GB available free, guys. And apart from that, guys, if you talk about the CPU processor, well, this phone is powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 octa-core CPU, guys, based on 4 nanometer, and is like one of the fastest chipsets available on Android phone. And you'll be quite satisfied with the performance, guys. Either it be your day-to-day task, creativity, productivity, gaming also. You can play all sorts of games at ultra graphic settings. Now this is just like an unboxing and initial impressions, right? So I won't be including any gaming benchmarks in this video. We'll do a separate video for that. We'll play games like Genshin Impact, and if you guys are interested, I can also test out some emulators also to actually put the CPU to major testing. So just let me know in the comment section and I'll make a special video on that. But apart from that, day-to-day experience has been great, guys. I mean, app openings, closings, everything feels super smooth thanks to that 120 hertz display and also that Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 under the hood. And let me also quickly open up the camera app. Now camera app UI hasn't changed much, but you do get a couple of extra features. Like I've told you, right, it's got a 50 megapixel triple camera setup, and you have all the exclusive modes available, like pro video is there, director's view is also there, which is used to access all cameras at the same time, guys. Pretty interesting feature. So this is just like an unboxing, I've told you, right? So I'm not talking much about the camera in this video, but I'll do include some camera samples at the end of this video, so you'll get an idea about the quality of the cameras. And before we actually do that, let me just quickly open up YouTube, play some video, and show you how the sound and display quality of this phone look like. Oh boy, it's Doctor Strange Multiverse of Madness. Pretty excited for this movie, guys. How many of you are waiting for it? Let me know in the comment section. I really wish I could play this trailer on this phone right now, but I can't do that due to copyright issues. So I'll just have to play one of my videos only. Okay, this video is gonna be super fun as our wait is finally over. Okay, you guys just saw the display quality, right? Let me tell you, display quality on this phone is great, guys. It's got a 1080p resolution at 6.1 inches, so more than enough. Very good detail and clarity. Sharpness was also fine. And talking about the colors, colors look phenomenal thanks to that dynamic AMOLED 2x display. Now, there are some subtle differences between the Ultra Edition phone and the base variant. Now, this phone has a max brightness of only around like 1300 nits, and that one has 1750 nits, guys. So it makes a bit of difference. Samsung wants to keep differences between their editions of different S22 lineup of phones. And apart from that, this phone has LTPS technology, guys. That means the refresh rate on it can change from 48 Hz to 120 Hz, unlike the LTPO 2.0 on the Ultra Edition. That one can go all the way up to 1 Hz also, guys, if required, depending on the content. So these are some major differences between the base variant display and the Ultra variant display. And apart from that, guys, overall experience has been great. Very satisfactory display. And talking about the sound, it's got stereo speakers tuned by AKG and powered by Dolby Atmos, and audio quality was also great. Good clarity, minimum distortion, and output also loud and satisfactory. So that is pretty much it, guys, our unboxing and first look at this beautiful phone from Samsung, their all new Galaxy S22 base variant 5G phone. So I'll be using this phone for a couple of days before I can make my full review on it. And in the full review now, we'll talk about the display quality, we'll put the CPU to a test and do a lot of benchmarks, gaming benchmarks, and also talk about the cameras. And in case you want to see like a comparison video between all the S22 series phones now, just let me know and I'll do a dedicated video on that as well. And that is pretty much it, guys. Time to wrap it up. Let me tell you about the pricing of this phone. So the S22 base variant is available for 72,999 rupees in India. And along with that, Samsung is also giving some exclusive pre-booking offers. You can pre-book this phone and get Galaxy Buds 2 at only 999 rupees extra, guys. That thing costs almost like 11 or 12,000, something like that. So pretty nice feature, and you do have exchange offers, Samsung bonus offers and all that. Just I'll leave all that info in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that is it for today, guys. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video and got to check out this awesome phone from Samsung. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos, and I'll see you all in my next one.